Are you ready for this? Are you ready? Are you ready to be in total sync with the existence? Or are you ready to be an aggressive creature with no consideration for anyone else but for yourself? Well, this is what we have learned. This is what we've learned, saying it's human nature to fight, human nature to argue, human nature to lie, cheat, human nature to treat others unfairly, human nature to see others suffer and struggle, human nature to see others as your subservient slaves or subservient workers, and for you to carry on demeaning and looking down and seeing others as useless. Why do we do this? Every day, before and after I go to sleep, I'm never tired of extending my life to the well-being and health and respect and care for the other. My words may not relate to your polarized logic. My words may not sound pleasing, may not sound pleasant in what you understand, in what I'm saying. Let me just ask you, every one of us are looking for the same in our lives. Even the tiniest of the microbe, tiniest of the virus, tiniest of the life that is here is simply looking to live pronounced, fully fledged life. And why would any life be sacrificed or be crushed or be scrutinized or be rejected by any one of us? Life should be a pleasant, a beautiful experience for all of us. And every one of those experiences are felt, and those sweet emotions and those bitter emotions all happens within the individual. Yet we think, we imagine, and we believe it is a curse from somewhere else, up and above, or it is a curse, or it's a fault of history, fault of heritage, fault of you happen to be born on a specific land or somewhere else. No. I don't have to explain. Every life is as significant, as important as yours. Who gives the opportunity? Who gives the advantage? Or who gives the right to see every other life to be less than your own? It's painful to see and to feel the countless suffering that goes on this earth. And no one seems to bring us as one species closer to one another and to embrace this throbbing and reverberating energies of humanity as one kind on earth. Why would an educated, a scholar, theologian, a politician, philosopher, educator, call it whatever you wish, whoever you like to, if the education is to enhance life and to improve life, and for you to be out there extending your knowledge and your understanding about what is to be a human, and to see every life as critical and important as yours, and to raise and rise by seeing others rising together. The future that you create today, the steps that you take today will definitely and for surely will make our future, and to know who we are as human beings on this planet. Why have we created these differences? Why have we created this psychological drama of entanglement, imprisonment, bitterness, anger, frustration, distress? Is simply because the tools that we were given, the tools of education, tools of knowledge, tools of politics, tools of science, tools of human well-being, tools of religion, all these are tools to create well-being and health for all of us. Yet, the tools that we were given is causing us to become a problem as we handle them. Those tools that are meant to improve the way of life, improve the very way that who we are as human beings, to be capable of being able to use those tools. Hence why we have taken on the knowledge. Hence why we are called human beings with a conscious decision to make, a responsible, are in a responsible position to elevate ourselves above the other creatures, above other life, to be able to deliver in an equal capacity to raise the level of consciousness and responsibility and share that knowledge amongst all through religion, through politics, to be right and just for all. It's not much to ask from an educated human being who are meant to be a pleasant and stable platform they've created through education, is meant to share that experience of knowledge and competence and stability. Yet, how much trouble have we created through education, through politics, through science, through religion? Isn't it time that we bow down to our humanity and see a vision of life-making possibilities for all human beings, and stop this fight, stop this argument, stop this bitterness, stop this unpleasant experience of life that has been created for centuries through religion, politics, and other twisted and blinded ideas. I'm sure no one is interested in wanting to listen to what I'm saying. Everyone is going on about carrying on with the same illogical and logical nonsense that has been pushed down like through an intrusion. Through education means that you are modeled and shaped by the information that's been pushed down through like a mincemeat machine. As you can see, they've all been jumbled up and creating nuts and bolts to fit the current logic, the very blinded ideas of our lives today. It is time that we go out and approach and be an extension to the lives that are seen as less yet in our understanding. Yet we should undo our understanding and renew our values as life, as an evolved creature, and extend beyond the common denomination of what we know as education, what we know as politics, what we know as religion, and to become a sincere and an honest, beautiful human being in this very brief moment of our lives here on this planet, and plant the seed of consciousness and responsibility in human way of life, rather than planting pest, should I say, virulent ideas that sucks out the life energies and life out of innocent human beings on the planet. May I wish you all a journey of a beautiful life ahead, and whatever you do, may your work fulfill the very existence, the very way of life, and the very way who we are as human beings. Maybe one day one will understand what I'm speaking about. Until such time, I will continue to see life as a possibility and not as a painful and most hurtful. I should see that my work is to benefit others before I benefit in what I'm doing.